Alright, so I gotta do this video today. I'm doing an unboxing of a birthday present that a friend sent me. His name is Kyle Watts, so thank you, Kyle. And I'm really excited about this, and I kind of have an idea. I think he got me some Aputure stuff. Well, one, I think he's getting me, if I had to guess right here, I think he's getting me a 60D and some sort of a Aputure softbox, maybe the SE light dome. I don't know that for a fact, but that's my guess because I've talked about getting this stuff for a long time, and Kyle's been like, get it, get it, get it. And I sold a lot of lights in here, and I'm moving to Aputure only just because I want to have one system, one app. I'm tired of having all these mixed match of Chinese things. Plus, I want to have like proper like exposure. And it's like exposure. I want to have proper white balance. So anyway, let's get this. Boxes are over here. Alright, so this box right here is, well, it says Aputure on it, so I kind of figured it's probably something Aputure. But you know what? I'm not going to open this one yet. If there's anything in the box that is, you know, this will tell us right here. I think that is some sort of a soft box or something, and this is the light. So we're going to go with the light first. Like I said, I don't know, but I know my man Kyle, and the guy is a sweetheart. All right. Did I say sweetheart on camera? Oh boy. It's exactly what I thought it was. Amaran 60D, right? No. No. Kyle got me the 60X. I was going to be cheap and get the 60D, but this dude bought me the 60. Kyle, dude, you're way too kind to me, man. This is crazy. All right, so I got a 60X. So I'm gonna replace this like light right here with this one. It was kind of like my one light stand to rule them all. And so be looking for that video. I'm totally gonna be doing that. But gosh, Kyle, and if it's, I'm like wearing a Captain America shirt right now. I just got back from a water park, so this is like one of those like watery shirts. You know, I look all cool, and I got my like American flag bathing suit on. Never mind. Anyway, so a light, fantastic. Like I said, I think this one's gonna be a softbox. Oh, all right. Don't get all teary-eyed. All right, all right. No, 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 no. No. Dude, what kind of money are you spending on me? No. I knew right away it's not the... I don't think this is the SE, because the SE I don't think comes in this nice, but maybe it is. Who knows? We'll see. It's not the SE. I didn't think it was the SE. See, I bought him the SE for a birthday present last year. This guy goes above and beyond and got me the Light Dome Mini 2 and the 60X. Oh, dude. Huh? Like some sort of an adapter? I don't know what that is. Light Dome Mini 2. Light Dome frickin' Mini 2. Kyle, you are super nice. Way too nice to me. I know a lot of YouTubers that are way too nice to me that are friends of mine. Kyle is one of them. Him and Dobo, I don't know why they like to buy me stuff. This is cool. Wow, it's gonna be tiny. Like this is gonna be perfect for this light stand. So all this stuff. Thank you, Kyle, right now. Dude, you went above and beyond. Like, seriously, a 60X? Man, I was gonna be cheap and just get the 60D, but he went and, yeah, anyway. Thank you so much, Kyle. Thanks for you guys if you're still watching this right now. Yes, thank you for the birthday wishes. Kyle, my birthday is on October 10th. So he got me a little bit early this year, but he got it right on time, you know. At least it wasn't late. Like, I don't know, sometimes I do that to a lot of people. So there will be detailed reviews coming, I'm sure, on these lights right here. I am on my way to being an Aputure only lighting system. I've got a lot of lights to go before I can do that. I need some tube lights. I might need another flex panel from them. Well, need is a hard word, but and Kyle just jumped me into the system. So thank you, Kyle. Thank you guys for watching this far. And you guys know that I will see you in the future. Seriously, what am I gonna do with... This is exciting. Battery operated, and I feel like a noob. I don't know what this is.